how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. I know I've been missing for a while, but honestly speaking, backend page na kuch chal raha hai. I will promise to do a life update video super soon. Then you'll understand ki where I've been missing. But for today, I thought of just sitting down and chatting with you all. So आज मैं लेके आ रही हूँ 10 Amazon finds which I feel every girl needs in her life. तो फैशन होने वाला है, थोड़ा सा ब्यूटी होने वाला है, and I'm pretty sure कि आपको एक प्रोडक्ट तो डेफिनेटली पसंद आने वाला है इस वीडियो में. सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल दी एंड. एंड अगर आप ये चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो, हाय, मेरा नाम है विशाखा. आई क्रिएट वीडियोस अबाउट ब्यूटी, फैशन, लाइफस्टाइल. व्लॉग्स भी कभी कभी क्रिएट करती हूँ. आई वुड लव फॉर यू टू चेक आउट माई अदर वीडियोज. इफ यू लाइक द वाइब, कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माई चैनल. आई वुड लव टू हैव यू बैक फॉर मोर वीडियोज. एंड चलो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. फैशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. मेरे पास 4 आइटम्स है. ओके, फर्स्ट product is my absolute favorite, and first product is all for my fitness girlies out there. If you are into like high intensity training, you need something like this in your life. I know बहुत सारी sports bra available in the market and mostly ना low impact और medium impact के लिए होती है. This is for high impact workouts. Okay, you can just see the construction of it. इसको देख के बोल सकते हो कि हाँ, this will hold everything in place. Okay, I love the back detailing of this. It has a criss-cross back. जैसे आपका ये ब्राज नॉर्मल हुक से बंद होता है, वैसे ही ये हुक इसमें है लगे हुए. सबसे पहले दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड ब्लिस क्लब. आई लव अ लॉट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स अबाउट दिस स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा. सबसे पहले तो इट इज सीमलेस. इट हैज दीज मोल्डेड कप्स. सो इसमें कोई पैड्स नहीं लगे हुए हैं. इट जस्ट हैज दीज molded cups. Okay, which just secures everything in place. आपका बैक में पूरा आपको सपोर्ट मिल जाता है. So for high intensity, if you're jumping around, this holds everything in. Now I see a lot of not so busty chicks making recommendation for like really high impact workout training bras, but trust me, when it is coming from a heavy chested girl to another heavy chested girl, this will change your life. Okay, I love it. Like I said, it's from the brand Bliss Club. I love how they are size inclusive. Okay, तो आपको size आपका मिल जाएगा. Even if you're larger chested than me, you will still find your size. Love that. And इसमें काफ़ी कलर्स आ जाते हैं. मैंने तो क्लासिक ब्लैक लिया है. इसमें काफ़ी कलर्स आ जाते हैं. यू कैन गो फॉर दैट. एंड व्हाट आई रियली लाइक अबाउट दिस इज कि मैंने 2 साल पहले ली थी एंड अभी भी ना, इफ़ यू सी द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस, इट स्टिल लुक्स प्रीटी मच न्यू. ओके, यू सी. By the way, मैंने इसमें साइज लिया है 36D. As always, you guys, I will make sure that I will leave a link to everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. काफ़ी चीज़ें डिस्काउंट पे भी आपको मिल जाएगी, so do check out the description box. Next, in the innerwear category only, is my latest find, which is actually this cotton shorts. Okay, I love wearing this under my mini dresses. इसमें काफ़ी कलर्स आ जाते हैं. I went with the classic black. Now कई बार क्या होता है, you wearing a लंबी maxi dress, but वो ना थोड़ी सी see through है. I love wearing something like this. उससे ना I'm just like carefree, ज़्यादा carefree. This is super inexpensive and I love the fact that this is in this cotton material. तो again, summers में you want something which is breathable. That is why I like it. I know market में काफ़ी तरह के shorts आ गए हैं, but they are mostly in polyester format, and sometimes especially गर्मी में you want your skin to breathe. तो I really like this. इसमें कोई tummy controlling वो attribute नहीं है. So if you're wearing a fitted dress, you can definitely go for a shapewear. This is not a shapewear. This is just your classic like cycling shorts or just like cotton shorts, which I would not recommend wearing this on its own, because that will not look attractive. But underneath your short dresses, skirts, or just like sheer stuff के नीचे, this is just great. I got this in a size, I want to say large. Okay, I got this in a size large. Cotton material में है, super inexpensive. So yeah, this is the second recommendation that I feel every girl needs. Fashion में third recommendation would be colorful leggings. Now they are still your basics, but they are not your black leggings. Okay, and I love Bliss Club for that. They have such a wide range of colors to choose from. I just have them in every color. Literally, I worked with them in the past, so वहाँ से I got introduced to them. But honestly, on my own, I have bought almost every color. Now इसमें काफ़ी different styles आते हैं, but the one that I would suggest are just their classic standard. They are the high waist, like simple leggings जो proper fitted रहता है. Okay, it is high waisted, which I love. I love that this kind of cinches in your stomach. Okay, I love that. It's high waisted. It has pockets Bliss Club is known for their pockets, so it has pockets on the side, अंदर आपको pockets मिल जाएंगे, and overall this is something that I love working out in. They have lovely colors, like they have this blue color, then they have this color, they have a lovely purple color also. I love this burgundy shade also. Like now we are in fall and I feel fall में ये वाला color इतना ज़्यादा pretty लगेगा in the gym. Again सारी high waisted leggings है. I love that there is, you know, no camel toe is visible in these leggings. The material is, I think so, they're cloud soft material if I'm not wrong, and ये हमेशा discount पे चला रहता है. I'm pretty sure इस पे भी काफ़ी अच्छे discount चल रहे होंगे. I will make sure I will leave a link to this in the description box. Also they wash also quite nicely. Like this one is, I want to say 2 years old and it still looks brand new. And yes, इसमें काफ़ी fun colors आ जाते हैं. Definitely check. Is actually an accessory that I have to share. Okay, I will also leave a link to these ones in the description box. There's these XL pearl earrings. They're very trendy. Looks good with Indian wear dresses. सबके साथ अच्छे लगते हैं ये. मैं इनको भी link कर दूँगी. But what I wanted to mention were these teardrop earrings. And मेरे पास ना ये silver में भी है एंड मेरे पास ये गोल्ड में भी है. ओके, तो सिल्वर गोल्ड आपको ये दोनों मिल जाएंगे. मैं इनकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. आई फील दे आर सो ट्रेंडी एंड फॉर द प्राइस आई थिंक सो ये ना अभी एक सेट में मिल रहा है. मैंने एक सरोजनी से लिया था, एक मैंने ऑनलाइन लिया था अमेजोन से, बट ये दोनों सेट आई थिंक सो 200-300 के आपको 2 ईयरिंग्स मिल जाएगी. यू गाइज, इफ यू वांट टू लुक मोर पुट टुगेदर, मोर ट्रेंडी, आई थिंक सो ज्वेलरी इज द फास्टेस्ट वे टू लुक मोर ट्रेंडी. लाइक these earrings, you see all of the influencers, all of these celebrities wear XL pearl earrings. Similarly ये teardrop Bottega का inspired है. Think of these earrings as like an elevated pair of a hoop earring. Now hoop is a classic, तो वैसे ना they have become classic. ये आप अपने इंडियन वेयर के साथ पहनो, ड्रेसेस के साथ पहनो, आप ब्लेजर्स के साथ पहनो. You can wear this to work, college, on an everyday basis. So yeah, love these. Silver jewelry has been trending for a while, तो मैं silver भी recommend करूँगी. तो same ये teardrop आपको silver में भी मिल जाएगा and it just looks lovely. Okay, so this is definitely a gem that I found. Okay, another random find is this eyelash curler. Okay, I have been loving this. If you have a eyelash curler recommendation, definitely let me know in the comment section below. We all can help each other out. But something that I've been using for years and and I've never really mentioned it is this eyelash curler. मेरी eyelashes ऐसे भी नहीं, सीधी भी नहीं है, ऐसे है because of my sleeping position. तो मेरी eyelashes ऐसे है and then I have to curl them कि थोड़ी सी वो visible हो. Okay, I love using this. This is pretty dirty right now, but this one is from the brand Vega. Very inexpensive. I love using this. You are not curling your lashes before mascara, you're doing it wrong, girls. So definitely invest in something like this. ये Vega के brand से है, तो of course it's very affordable. Let's move on to the next recommendation, which is this lip balm over here. I am completely heads over heels over this lip balm. This is from the brand Laneige. Okay, I like the sleeping mask, but I think so this lip balm is much better. The sleeping mask is literally like a mask. It sits on top of your lips. If you have really chapped lips, you need to invest in that. वो वाला lip mask is nice अगर रात को सोने के लिए लगाना है, ठीक है? But on an everyday basis, on the go, this is fab. But I love to apply this on top of my lipsticks. So अभी I'm wearing a tint, and if you just want immediately, if you want like glossy lips, you just. Do you see the difference? Glossy lips have been trending everywhere and everybody is just, wearing glossy lips. But if you don't want to spend on a lot of different shades when it comes to glossy lip, just buy a lip balm. Apply this all over your tints lipstick and you just have a glossy lip in that particular shade. This is something that I use all the damn time. So at the same time मैंने lipstick लगाई है, but still my lips are hydrated and I love it. Would highly recommend it 100%. इसमें berry flavor भी आता है और पता नहीं कौन से आते हैं, but मुझे ये वाला पसंद है. This is the grapefruit one. It comes in this purpley packaging and this is how my lips look like. They just look super juicy and super like delicious. So if you're a lip balm girly, you can check this out. But if you want to try glossy lip or you're obsessed with glossy lip, just buy this, apply this on top of all of your lipstick and you're sorted. You don't have to spend so much in like different glossy items. Next I want to talk about this serum which my mother loves. I love it. Okay, now I love snail mucin as an ingredient. I love the COSRX1. मैं वो भी लिंक कर दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. Love it, obsessed. मैंने उसकी कम से कम 5-6 बॉटल्स खत्म कर ली है. Okay, over the course of like 3-4 years. I love it, okay, but it is expensive. It is for 1500 rupees, and somebody जिसका budget नहीं है, like guys, Dermaco has come out with this. I worked with them on a campaign Instagram पे, and that is how I got introduced to it. मुझे नहीं पता था snail mucin अब the Dermaco भी बना रहा है, and you guys, this is fantastic. मेरे पास एक बॉटल है, एक बॉटल मम्मी के पास शिमला में है. This is like your classic snail mucin. ओके थोड़ा सा ये रनी है, उतना ऐसे नहीं है थिक. वो वाला ना COSRX का थोड़ा ज़्यादा थिक है, बट इट गेट्स द वर्क डन. दिस इज डर्माको का स्नेल पेप्टाइड 96 हाइड्रेटिंग सीरम. ओके इसमें 2% पेप्टाइड कॉम्प्लेक्स है, 2% नाइसिनामाइड भी है. दिस ऑनेस्टली फील्स अमेजिंग ऑन द स्किन. इट हैज़ नाइसिनामाइड विच इज़ ग्रेट यू नो फॉर योर ऑयल प्रोडक्शन ऑल्सो. तो अगर आप बहुत ऑयली हो जाते हो, रोजेशा आपको है, नाइसिनामाइड इज ग्रेट एज एन इंग्रेडिएंट. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस इज यू कैन यूज दिस इन द मॉर्निंग, बट इसको आप शाम को भी मतलब रात को भी यूज कर सकते हो. सो यू कैन यूज इट एनी टाइम. यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू ट्राई स्नेल म्यूसिन, यू गिव दिस अ शॉट. पंप में आता है, पैकेजिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है, एंड दिस इज बेसिकली हाफ द प्राइस ऑफ द COSRX1. सो मैं दोनों लिंक कर दूंगी. whatever you fancy you can try it out. You guys, let's move on to a moisturizer. Now मैंने ना ये moisturizer winter time में try किया था. Was not really fond of it, but as soon as summer hit, I used it every single day religiously. I used it every single day religiously कि ये कोई ख़त्म हो गया है. Will I repurchase it? I want to say I might. Okay. पर winter में I might not repurchase it. If you're living somewhere जहाँ पे it's hot and humid, definitely check this out. I was not a huge fan of this, especially for the price. I mean, ये 3500 का है. For the price, this is very expensive. Do you have similar items available in the market? Absolutely yes. If you want to try it, I feel summertime is the best time to try it. Okay, summertime, monsoon time, you just need 1-2 pump of this. I don't think so इसमें कुछ बचा होगा. Wow, थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है. Wow. तो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. ओके बहुत ही लाइट वेट इसका टेक्सचर है, एंड इट ब्लेंड्स आपकी स्किन में इन नो टाइम, विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. इफ यू हैव अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज स्किन बैरियर, दिस इज ग्रेट फॉर दैट. दिस स्ट्रेंथन्स योर स्किन बैरियर एट द सेम टाइम. इट्स डीपली नरिशिंग, इट्स हाइड्रेटिंग. This is made up of 5 different types of ceramides, if I'm not wrong. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, that is how it got popular. Alia Bhatt, I think so, Alia Bhatt ki video se it got really, really popular. So yeah, I love the packaging of this. It comes in the plastic packaging, great for traveling. Okay, plastic packaging hai. This is how it looks like. Okay, pump bottle mein aata hai. Love the packaging, to be very honest. If you have the budget for it, you want to try it, I feel this is the best time to try it. Monsoon or summertime is the best time to try it, because winters में, because I live up north, right, यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड हो जाती है. Then you need like a thick moisturizer. Then I would not suggest this, but right now if you want to try something, definitely check this out. Next, let me share with you all this product over here. This is a Korean brand, Anua करके. Okay, ये है इनका Heart Leaf Pore Cleansing Pore Control Cleansing Oil. The only thing I don't like about this is में ना वो stopper नहीं है like on off करने का. तो व्हेन यू ट्रैवलिंग विद दिस इट गेट्स मेसी. मतलब मुझे 2-3 प्लास्टिक बैग्स में इसको भरना पड़ता है ताकि ये लीक ना हो बाकी चीज़ों में. पंप पैकेजिंग इज नाइस, बट इसमें ऑन ऑफ का वो आना चाहिए था, वो इसमें नहीं है. बट इफ़ आई कम टू द प्रोडक्ट, लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. कैन यू सी हाउ मच. एक बड़ी बॉटल है एंड ये यहाँ तक ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो चुकी है. द पैकेजिंग इज एब्सोल्युटली minimal. This cleanser got super viral, and you guys know I love using cleansing oils. THC cleansing oil is fab, okay, but I wanted to try something new. Got this and I love it. 2 महीने से मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I've been really enjoying it. So if you are into cleansing oils, or if you want to try cleansing oil, definitely you can check this out. Last product is actually a combo product. This is a shampoo and conditioner, and I love it. It's from the drugstore. It's from the brand Dove, and this is your OG classic shampoo. This is the Intense Repair shampoo and Intense Repair conditioner. This is for damaged hair. I think so this is damaged hair due to breakage. Okay, सबसे पहले तो इसका fragrance इतना ज़्यादा प्यारा है. It's just this old school floral soapy fragrance, and it takes me back to my childhood. Love it. And actually story क्या है ना, मैं चंडीगढ़ ट्रैवल कर रही थी and I forgot to carry my shampoo. I use the Olavec shampoo. Okay, वो भी मैं लिंक कर दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. Love that shampoo. But then I was like यार शैम्पू लेना है, कंडीशनर भी, मैं को दोनों ही चीज़ें नहीं लेके आई थी. So I was like I don't want to spend a lot. Let me find a good shampoo under a budget. And saw a lot of reviews, gave in and bought this, and 1 महीना हो गया. I've been using this every single time I'm washing my hair and I love it. ओके, आई लिटरली लव इट. मेरे बाल फ्रिजी नहीं हो रहे इससे. इट गेट्स द वर्क डन. इट क्लीन्स माई स्कैल्प बहुत अच्छे तरह से. एंड द कंडीशनर इज ऑल्सो प्रीटी डिसेंट. ये इंटेंस रिपेयर डिटैंगलिंग कंडीशनर है. यू जस्ट अप्लाई दिस for a minute and you're good to go. With that, you guys, we've come to the end of this video. I really hope ये video helpful हुई हो. These are 10 products that I would say every girl needs from Amazon. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Festive season आ रहा है and I definitely want to buckle up and be more consistent. But a live update video is definitely pending. वो मैं जल्दी से जल्दी I will film that. On that note, I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for watching. अगर आपके पास भी कोई recommendation है beauty fashion department में, उसको comment section में share करो. हम सब girlies, we love reading comments, so it will help everybody out. On that note, I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for watching. Links for everything will be in the description box. वो भी check out कर लेना. मेरे channel को subscribe नहीं किया है, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back for more videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye.